Alright, today I got a tip for you guys, and involves making your own gaskets. You see here, we're going to make a custom gasket for this something thing we're building, and some people have trouble, you know, making your bolt holes and all that good stuff. So what I got here, it's got this little brass fitting. It's about the same size as the bolt, and you can see I got all my holes marked. So all I'm going to do, set that right there. And I like using this one because it's got a big old flat spot on top, makes it easy. And then I just take a pick pull it out. There we go. Now you can probably find different size things like this, tubing, you know, etc. to do this little trick. But this comes in real handy when you're trying to make your own gaskets and you want your hole just perfect. And there we have it. Now luckily the other side, I'm going to flip this one over and use this barbed end on it because I can. Now granted they do make a kit for this that actually for gasket making, but you know, if you're just making one or two gaskets, just going to use what you got laying around. Luckily on something like that, you can pop it through the other side. Voila. Really simple, really, honestly. So, if you're only making one or two gaskets, you don't really need to buy the kit. Like that. Now we have it. Hope this information was helpful. As always, thanks for watching.